Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your WhatsApp without using any app lock. To do that, you go to your WhatsApp app, navigate to settings, go to privacy, scroll down and click on app lock. Now what you have to do is to enable unlock with biometric. If you have face unlock or fingerprint set up on your phone already, turn this on. It's going to ask you to confirm the biometric. I'm going to use my fingerprint because that's what I'm using currently. After that, you will have an option to set it to automatically lock after 30 minutes, 1 minute, or immediately. You can set it to immediately if you want. So right now, when you open WhatsApp, it's going to ask for your biometrics. So that's how you lock your WhatsApp without the use of AppLock. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.